Alright guys, it is Saturday night. Got a few things done today. Got a few estimates done and was able to clean up some bank stuff and do some errands. So ended up being a good productive day. Kind of late, but we got another package here from Amazon. So I figured I'd go ahead and open that before I go to bed. Drove the Tesla and did a few things today. It's got an electric car. So, what did we get today? Alright. These are a couple of the locks that I purchased for the shop. These are Disecu or Disecu, Disecu. These are 4-digit combination lock, 2.5 inch long, Shackle outdoor waterproof padlock for school gym locker. I got ones with a little bit longer shackle because some of our stuff is kind of hard to get into. It's super tight if you use a regular shackle, so I figured these would be a little bit easier to work with. And they're combination locks, so that way you don't have to have a key, of course, to get in. And they're double locks. They got the insert here on each side, little divot cut out. Supposedly they're supposed to be harder to break into that way. And there's no master key, no way they can bypass the system without using the combination. So I purchased quite a few of these, not this exact brand, but I've got quite a few master locks like this, and they come in pretty handy. So here's the little card they give you. There you go. And they give you this little instruction guide with it. How to set the code. Set the combination to your passcode default 0000 and pull the shackle open. Rotate the shackle 180 degrees. Push the shackle to the bottom. So it's on all zeros. Pull it out, rotate it, and then click it to the bottom. Just like so. Open this one up, do the same thing. Nice little Ziploc bag. 000. Pull up, rotate 180, and then push back down. All right. Push the shackle to the bottom, keep the shackle down, and scroll the numbers to your own code. Pull up on the shackle, rotate back the shackle. So this has a lifetime warranty. We value your satisfaction. You can lock and unlock the unit with right combinations and initial combination of 0000. Every lock has gone through quality test to make sure you receive a good product. You can see the body of the lock has the QC pass mark. Please follow the user manual carefully. And then you can use it with a steel cable. It's another product they probably sell. But there's the information on that. And that's about it. So I think these locks were, you get 2 of them for $23.79. With tax it came to $25.57. So they're about $12.50 a piece, $12.50 something a piece, which is cheaper than the ones you can buy in the store. So I'm gonna go ahead and set mine to what we set them at the shop. Let's see. And also too, after a while, these things get a little bit crusty, and they're a little bit harder to work with. When they're new, they're nice and fresh, especially if you keep them inside. But after a while, they get nasty. And just get a little bit harder and harder to operate. So I usually buy new ones every 5 or 6 years. Some of them are okay when you keep them inside, but usually after years of use and dirt and grime and grunginess, they tend to have a hard time adjusting. They still work. Sometimes I'll spray WD-40 or PB Blaster in there and kind of move them around, but sometimes that doesn't even work. It just, you know how it is. All right, I just set both combinations to what I wanted it to, and they're locked. Let's see, make sure it works. There it goes. So that only took me a few seconds. And what's cool about these, you can do that, you know, reset them as many times as you want. That way, if you have a security issue and you need to change a code, say, heaven forbid, you have to get rid of somebody, or someone you think found out your code, you can just simply change the code in like 10 seconds. And most of my locks are like this because I got tired of losing keys, people getting keys, and then, you know, you never have a key when you need to, or it gets dirt in the keyhole, or the key breaks, or, you know, then you have like 1,000 different keys, 1,000 different locks. I found over the years, these combination locks, I mean, they're not the super secure, but if someone wants to break into your stuff and they're